My name is Eshnie Ramdhari. I am from a little town called Sunpark, and I'm currently a PGCE student at UNISA. In 2019, I joined the CSI program at the Sappi Skills Centre. I applied and I was fortunate enough to be chosen for this program amongst hundreds of applicants. I did the hand skills course, the plumbing and business essentials, and thereafter for the business essentials we did a bake sale. Coming to the Skills Centre has helped me gain a lot of skills to help me with my business. I have run a small business since 2015 called the Platter Box, whereby I cater for small events, family gatherings and parties. Before coming to the Skills Centre, things were not really easy. Even though I had a degree, it was difficult for me to find employment. Having the skills and qualifications and still not finding employment was a major setback for me. Emotionally, it got the better of me. However, I did not allow it to get me down. I used every day as a new opportunity to try and find something, and I did not throw in the towel. Each new day you gotta just keep applying, and someday you will get your lucky break. The Business Essentials course has taught me a lot. It's taught me how to draw cash flow statements, how to save money for capital, and other important economic tools. I am able to use what I've learned to help others. I am currently offering economic and management science studies to grade 7, 8 and 9 learners. The important business essential skills that I've learned, I can now pass on to these students. I also help the current CSI students. I guide them when it comes to their bake sale at the Skills Centre. The Skills Centre allows me to use their facilities for my business. Since completing the CSI course, my business has improved. For example, I have learned marketing skills and I am now able to market my business on many social platforms. What motivates me the most is my internal drive. During schooling and my degree, there has been a lot of discipline that I had to instill in myself, because I know that if I don't better myself, the opportunities would not be as great.